This time we have an equation of a circle. Now they tell us a circle, but also we see that both x and y are squared. So that can clue us in that it's probably going to be a circle. Now we need to get this equation in standard form of a circle so that we can easily spot our center and our radius. So what we have to do is complete the square for our x values and complete the square for our y values. Now this is using an Algebra 1 concept that you may not have even gotten to. But we want to complete the square. We want to make these two x terms and then a constant be a perfect square trinomial. So to complete the square, we take half of the coefficient on our first power term, or x to the first power term. So half of -4 is -2, and then we'll square that, and that'll give us +4. We're going to do the same thing for our y values. We'll take half of this coefficient, half of 6 is 3, and square it, that becomes 9. So we need to add a 4 to these two terms and put it with that, and add a 9 here. Well, if we add 4 to the left side of the equation, we have to add 4 to the right side. If we add 9 to the left side, we have to add 9 to the right side. On the right side, we're just going to add these values together. -9 plus 9 is 0, plus 4 is 4. So we'll have 4 over here. On the left side, we're going to go ahead and factor these. Now, we just completed the square, so we made these be perfect square trinomials. So we will just factor that, and that will give us x minus 2 squared and y plus 3 squared. So from here, we should be able to spot our center and our slope, our center and our radius. Our center is 2, -3, and our radius is 2. Now it may help you if you go back and make sure that you have the minuses from the formula. So this +3 can become a minus a -3. And then we can square root the radius. The square root of 4 is 2, so we can write that as 2 squared. So if you haven't already, now you should be able to figure out that our center is 2, -3, and our radius is 2. Now to graph this, we put a point at 2, -3. So from the origin, go to the right 2, down 3. And then use that radius to find a couple of points on the circle. So I would use that radius to go up 2 units from the center and put a point, go to the right 2 units, put a point, go down 2 units from the center and put a point, and then go to the left 2 units and put a point. And then draw a circle through those 4 points.